Mr. Funny.
No, sir. I'm Funnybone, sir.
Funnybone. Okay. Why not the same person that they said they just got married?
It's me, sir.
Are you not a mister?
I'm a mister, sir.
Are you not funny?
I'm funny, sir.
That is Mr. Funny.
You are bad guy.
Myself, I used to do all these comedy things. Okay. There is a get together that me and my friends we want to do. Like Igbo party in Lagos here. So I need a MC. I was talking to one of my friends. They say you are very good. So how much is your charge?
So normally I do 6 million, but I'll do 5 million, sir.
5 million naira for what?
Only, sir.
Comedy don't spoil. In those days, in the days of Bright of Water. What be this one name? Julius Agu. Remember? Then this other one we talk saying go die.
I go die, sir.
I've been get shop for Ikoku for Port Harcourt. All of them. With a Bright of Water. If I give Bright 100 naira like that, now so Bright will talk from morning till night. Oh, memories.
And the memories bring back.
That's what they go talk now. Because of these days now, you say 5 million naira. Okay. It's okay now. Make it not be like say big man they argue price.
What big man can do?
Come up here now. Crack joke for me. Make I hear what you go talk for that place. At least I go judge you before I pay you.
Sorry, sir, but I don't operate like that.
I said go and do joke for me. Which one you don't operate like this? You be doctor. Break me up. Let me hear now. Funny guy.
All right, sir. So, sir, you get one woman, sir, for our estate, sir. She married 4 husbands, sir. Thank you, sir.
I've been hearing your voice upstairs.
Anyone? This boy is going to Onyojo. Very funny. No. Very talented guy. This is my wife. Please, I want you to tell her the same joke that you told me now. Because if she doesn't give permission, I cannot pay you.
Sir?
Yes, don't change it. The same joke that you told me.
So, madam, as I was telling your husband before you walked in, ma. One woman in our estate, he married 4 husbands. He now pay for them.
Dear Jenny,
Yes, Daddy.
where are you going to?
I want to go and see my friend outside.
Come here. Come. Go sit down. This is my daughter,
Good afternoon, sir.
Jenny Frank. She into this one on her things too. You said this one in the Duchi talk.
TikTok, Daddy.
Okay. Please, I want you, as you see, I'm like this, sense of humor. You big pass 3-story building. I won't make you tell them the same joke when you tell us here.
Jesus.
The same joke for her again.
Yes, don't change it.
All right. As I was telling your father and your mother before you walked in. Yeah. So, you get one woman for our estate. She married 4 husbands.
Yeah, sorry. It's okay. Sorry.
There's a woman. She married 4.
This is clean.
Brother, my dad is calling you.
Mr. Funny, I'm so sorry. Like I told you, I will get back to you. You will not believe. The quack, you don't make all of us laugh. Now my mother-in-law go wake up.
My begin. Oh no.
Please, I want you to tell her the same joke that you were telling us here since.
Look at my face.
There was a woman. The man now wash plate.
Funny. You know, it's the same thing I was telling you about consistency. If you can't afford to tell joke for 4 times,
Who be this bastard?
how do you want to tell joke for 4 hours? How can you even last in the industry? Like a basket, AY and all those people. Okay, you people can go upstairs. Go upstairs. 5 million naira. Okay.
Only, sir.
Okay. Do you have like your performance on YouTube?
Yes, sir. Plenty, sir.
Don't worry. We'll watch your performance at the party.
Like I could have killed a lot of people.